Hi everyone. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Sandra and I have been doing Kiwi Lane now for the past 2 years as an instructor. One of the reasons why I haven't really been on YouTube very much. But Kiwi Lane just came out with this club kit and it came in my mail the other day. So I wanted to go ahead and show everybody what the club kit from Kiwi Lane is all about. If you've never worked with Kiwi Lane before, you can go ahead and Google it, or you can go to my website, Sandy's Scrapbooks on Facebook.com, and I will tell you all about it. But for now, this is the club, and as you can see, they give you wonderful little ideas on what you can do with the different sets. It also tells you what sets are going to be featured and are on sale for the time. This says that Rings and McKay Boulevard are on sale for 15% off until the 21st of July at 11:59 Central Standard Time. It gives you the good examples here, and then it shows you 2 other pages of things that you can do. And of course, as always with Kiwi Lane, they tell you which templates and everything else they use. So let's go ahead and take this out and take a look at what is in here. Alrighty, for starters, there is a accessory size template set in here, and to show you what's in the template set, I'll take these out here. There is a tent, a compass with another little cutout in the inside so that you can do the internal piece for the compass, a little mountain range, a camper with windows that you can also cut out in other shapes, the you are here dot, a little flashlight, and a awesome tree. So these are the templates that are featured in the kit, and as you can see on mine, I take my eyelets out so that they store flat in our new storage system. So those are the templates that come with this. Again, this is an accessory size set, and in the papers, here is what you get. This is a really big kit. It is much bigger than the standard paper sets that Kiwi Lane does. You are here. Happy birthday. May the adventure continue. The best view comes after the hardest climb. You make life bearable. On top of mountains and beneath the stars. Happy camper. Wander often, wonder always. Go explore. Keep it simple. I love that one. Adventure is on the horizon. These are great for pocket page systems. They're designed with that in mind. They're also designed for our card makers. So if you're a card maker, it gives you lots of different options of the different sayings that you could use on cards. Or you can use them in scrapbooks, however you choose. Campfires and marshmallows, we're better together. Oh, I love that. Wild about you. I'm wild about this set because this set is just absolutely awesome. This is how we roll. Oh, how cool is that? If you have camping pictures or any outdoors types adventures, these are absolutely perfect for it. But if you don't, then there is still plenty of other things that you can do with this set. It's very woodsy, but it doesn't have to have that kind of feel. It has a lot of generic types of patterns. Look, see here. This stripe is very, very good for any other kind of normal pattern. You can use it for anything. This is all the constellations, and that teal is just so beautiful. Can you see that? And then there's another chevron pattern on the back of that. This is awesome. Go explore. This is all about adventure and exploring. These are bears with little mountains on the backside. That's so cute. Look at that. All right, another great pattern. And I don't know if you can see the contrast here, and I'll get out of the light a little bit, but these are paw prints of all sorts of different animals, so that is so cute. Another great pattern. Oh, and there's the camping. So yeah, if you do camp, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect if you do any kind of camping. These, I like these ones because Kiwi Lane, we use the long borders, and these types of papers are really great when they give you that option of patterns that you can use for those long borders. So that's really cool. This is a very wood grain type of paper, and we can use these as backgrounds. They give you 2 of those, and they give you another set of backgrounds that you can use. They give you 2 of these. Ooh, I really like those. Okay, so this is pretty much a double page kit. It gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 solid sheets of cardstock. And that's not even counting all the little ephemera packs that it gets you. That is fabulous. But like I said, you don't have to be a camper to use this set. There are plenty of other options. Oh, excuse me, that you can do. I am not a very big camper, so I just went with the bears. I did a solid background, and I just said, you make life bearable. Go wild for a while. Okay, there is nothing campy about that. So I can use this for anything. I can use this for me and my husband just doing something special, or any other number of things. And this is also a really cool layout that I just did because if you're just starting out with Kiwi Lane and you don't have very many templates, this is a great example of how you can use just one single border. This is one of our fun border sets, chevrons, and create a really beautiful, awesome layout with it. Anyway, so this is my Kiwi Lane Club Kit. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.